This is my new air conditioner. It's been in a little over a month and it's time to change the filter and to pour a little vinegar into the drain line to keep it running smoothly. Right here on the left is a little cap that I have to remove to pour the vinegar in. Okay, now here we have to just remove this cap, twisting it slightly, and then I've got a little half-cup measuring cup with a little pour spout on it, and I filled it halfway up and just slowly pour the vinegar in. And that's all there is to it. Replace the cap, and that's done. Now I had to remove the door because the filter is just so tight in here that there's no way to pull the filter out past the door. Right here at the bottom is where the filter slides in. I need to just turn the little knobs to the left to get each one to release. And this comes right off. Then you just slide the air filter out, and you notice there's a little arrow on here that shows the direction of the airflow. It's a little bit dirty. Here's the new filter, and you can see the airflow arrow. Make sure you get that right. And just slide it right back in. It's sticking for some reason, so I'm not sure what's causing that. There it goes. Whatever it was caught on, it's fixed. Seat it in place. Put this cover back on. A lot of times one of the screws is harder to get in than the other. This one here on the left is always harder, so I'm going to get that one first, at least part way in. Opposite direction, spin it to the right. To tighten it, and tighten both sides up, and it's done. And that's it. My maintenance for the month is done on this thing. All I have to do is put the door back on. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be doing more home DIY videos in the future, so please keep an eye out for them.